Good day and welcome to today's MecadMinute. Now, in one of my previous videos, I've created this advanced hole feature. So if you would like to know how to create it, have a look at one of the previous MecadMinute videos. In this case, what I want to do is this advanced hole command that I've got, I want to keep on using it in different parts. So instead of recreating this every time, you can actually go and save this as a favorite. Now, to save it as a favorite is if I go back to that feature, so just click that feature, go edit feature again, then this normal advanced hole feature pops up. Now, most of your feature commands actually have this option there where you can actually create and save your own favorites. So how this basically works is you specify the values and sizes and the specifications. Then once you've created the feature, you can then go and save it as a favorite. So in this case, I want to save this as my own favorite. So now I need to go and tell it, I need to go and add or update this as a favorite. So I'm going to add that. I then need to give this favorite a name. Let's call it, say, MecadMinute. Okay. And then I just need to go and save this as a favorite. So I'm going to go file this save favorite. I then need to specify a location. Let's save it on the desktop. Leave the name as MecadMinute. And click OK. So now if I say, for instance, create a new pod, let's close that. Create a new pod. And a nice thing about this is the profile or the pod that you're going to design doesn't have to be the same. It can be, in this case, I'm going to create a circular pod. And now I want to apply my favorite onto that solid pod. So I'm going to go to the drop down from the hole wizard. There's the advanced hole. I'm then going to first specify the near and the far side faces. So in this case, let's make this the near. And then if I click on the far side tick box, I'm going to specify that's going to be the far side. And then all I need to do is now I need to go and select my favorites. In this case, there's my MecadMinute. And a nice thing about this MecadMinute favorite is it automatically populates all the features that I've manually added to it. And there we go. Then the only important thing is I need to do it the same as with your normal hole wizard command. You need to specify the position. So I'm going to click on the position tab and let's place it, say, in the center of that pod. Click OK. And there we go. So now if I do a nice section view from this, it will not give me the preview that I wanted. Right, and then that's it for today's MecadMinute.